Ah, the Ford Maverick, a vehicle that started in 1970 as a two-door compact and was dropped by 1977. Fast forward to 2022, and it now has been revived and transformed into a mean and capable compact truck. Ford revealed that the 2023 Maverick models would be powered by Ford's 2.0L I-4 EcoBoost engine. Production is set to begin on October 24th of 2022 at the Hermosillo Assembly Plant. This is obviously significant news for many people, as Ford closed the 2022 Maverick orders earlier this year due to demand quickly exceeding the automaker's production capacity. In this video, we'll reveal the big news for the Ford Maverick, and we saved the best for last, so watch to the end. The Ford Maverick is a fun, functional, and well-priced pickup truck that was named the 2022 North American Truck of the Year. It's designed for the customer who never knew they needed a truck. It comes with a ton of customization options, a spacious interior, and modern technology. The Ford Maverick is ideal for both navigating a busy city and escaping it. It seats 5 people plus room for your gear. Because the 2022 Ford Maverick is a completely new compact pickup truck, there are no previous versions to compare it to at this time. However, watch till the end for exclusive information on the Ford Maverick upgrades. Okay, now that you're caught up, let's put this video in gear and get into the details. Unfortunately, it is unclear whether production would start at the same time for the 2023 hybrid version of the Maverick, which is set to be released a few weeks later than the non-hybrid version. According to inside sources, pre-orders for the 2023 Ford Maverick Hybrid will also be available around the same time as the regular non-hybrid EcoBoost version. Hopefully this holds true since it's already August and October is quickly approaching. Man, where did 2022 go? It's almost pumpkin spice season already? Anyway, according to Ford Authority, a number of deliveries for 2022 Maverick orders will be pushed back to the 2023 model year. Something to note is that many Maverick pre-order holders have expressed dissatisfaction with the automaker's general lack of communication throughout the process, since they don't know when their truck will be produced, nor where it is in the queue. It's also unclear what kind of modifications we can expect for the 2023 Ford Maverick, but the compact pickup's revamped color lineup has briefly appeared on Ford's official site recently, hinting at a few potential upcoming revisions. In addition, the 2023 lineup may include a new off-road focused Maverick Tremor variant that looks amazing. Also, earlier this month, Ford Authority scouts saw what appears to be a Maverick Tremor done in Avalanche Gray, boasting some of the same elements found on the Ford Range Tremor, Ford F-150 Tremor, and Ford Super Duty Tremor. The next day, those same scouts observed another probable Maverick Tremor in Velocity Blue, which is a noteworthy development because that was not on Ford's disclosed list of colors. Wow, these spies, scouts, are pretty good. Maybe the Department of Justice should have hired them to investigate Epstein's Island. We'd also like to inform you that the Ford Maverick Air Strut suspension kit is now available for select models. This kit currently only fits front-wheel drive Maverick vehicles. It also includes a pair of Icebox's unique front air struts and rear shocks, as well as 2 UAS airbags with all the necessary connections and hardware for installation. However, an air management system, which is supplied separately, is still necessary for the airbag configuration. Regardless, the kit provides a significant 5 to 7 inch drop when compared to the ride height of the stock pickup. Perfect for cruising through town with your arms hanging out the window, blasting that old song Low Rider on repeat. The beauty of this kit is that it is a straight up bolt-on job that requires no trimming. This isn't the case with many other airbag configurations, which frequently necessitate a significant amount of work to fit and perform properly. This upgrade is reportedly totally reversible if the owner wishes to go back to stock, and it rides and handles quite like OEM, albeit much lower, like an OEM's little cousin from East Los Angeles. The new Ford Maverick boasts a powerful engine, excellent fuel economy estimates, composed driving qualities, and an affordable starting price. Its biggest drawbacks are its short bed and low towing capability. This car does not have an overall rating or score since it has not been fully crash tested or reliability evaluated. However, if you want the appearance and open bed functionality of a pickup truck without the expense and drivability sacrifices that often accompany it, you should check out the Ford Maverick. It rides and handles like the Ford Escape SUV that it is based on. We've also analyzed over 10 Ford Maverick reviews, as well as fuel economy estimates, performance numbers, and other information to help you make the best car buying decision possible. And guess what? We'll tell you all about it right now. The Ford Maverick 2022 starts at $20,000, making it by far the least expensive new pickup truck in the United States. The XLT and Lariat trims are now $22,000 and $25,000 respectively. The Ford Ranger is a close competitor. It sits in the middle of Ford's truck portfolio between the smaller Maverick and the larger F-150. The Ranger is a body-on-frame vehicle with more off-road capability than the Maverick, as well as increased payload and towing capacities and longer 5-foot and 6-foot beds. It is a true workhorse. The Maverick, on the other hand, is less expensive. It has a $5,000 lower beginning price and is a more pleasurable truck to operate as your daily driver. It rides smoother, handles better, gets better gas mileage, and has a more modern interior design than the Ford Ranger. The Ford Maverick contains a 191 horsepower hybrid powertrain as its standard configuration, which includes a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, an electric motor, a continuously variable automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive. The CVT shifts smoothly and quickly most of the time, but it can cause the engine to drone under heavy acceleration and uphill climbs. The optional EcoBoost engine makes the Maverick more powerful and quiet, but it is also less fuel efficient. The EcoBoost is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 250 horsepower and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is available with either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. The EcoBoost engine takes the Maverick from 0 to 60 in 6 seconds, and despite some turbo lag, it allows the truck to zoom along at highway speeds with confidence and pass other vehicles quickly when the throttle is pushed. The 8-speed automatic transmission also enables smooth and rapid gear changes. According to Ford, the Maverick Hybrid gets 40 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. Official EPA estimates aren't yet available. That's excellent for a compact pickup truck, and it outperforms several other compact vehicles. If you're wondering which Ford Maverick is best for you, the Ford Maverick is available in 3 trim levels: XL, XLT, and Lariat. All of them have a crew cab body design and a 4-foot 6-inch bed. If you just want good value with good fuel efficiency, the base model Ford Maverick XL is a perfect choice. For a truck that costs less than $20,000, it has an efficient hybrid system and an astounding list of standard amenities. Because it's the cheapest trim to offer the off-road FX4 package, the Maverick XLT is the one to choose if you drive on dirt roads more than pavement, or if you just want to be cool and show off the 4x4 sticker on a truck that never gets dirty. Hey, we're not judging here. Choose a fully loaded Maverick Lariat if you want all the bells and whistles, like adaptive cruise control and wireless device charging. The new Maverick is tough enough to get to most trailheads or remote campsites, but it isn't designed for serious off-road driving. It barely has 8.6 inches of ground clearance, about the same as a Subaru Crosstrek, and it lacks off-road features such as locking differentials and long-range ratios. Having said that, the FX4 package makes the most of the Maverick's capabilities. This kit is available in all-wheel drive, XLT, and Lariat trims, and adds skid plates, hill descent control, and additional traction control settings for mud, ruts, and sand. The 2022 Maverick comes with a limited warranty of 3 years and 36,000 miles, a powertrain guarantee of 5 years and 60,000 miles, and an 8-year/100,000 mile hybrid component warranty. With the Maverick, Ford fills the small affordable truck portion of the market that people have been in need of since they stopped production on the old Ranger design in 2011, and other automakers have avoided for over a decade. The Maverick has real pickup truck capability, relaxed driving characteristics, intelligent tech and storage features, and exceptional value. This market of vehicles reminds me of the good old days, with trucks like the old Ranger, Chevy S10s, and small Nissan Frontiers bouncing around. Wait, am I getting old? Oh, enough of that. Although it may not be the best choice for off-road enthusiasts or heavy-duty transporters, the Ford Maverick 2022 shines as a fun alternative to today's compact cars and SUVs, or for those who would benefit from having a pickup truck but do not require heavy-duty capability. Maybe it's Ford's answer to the Jeep Gladiator. We do want to know your opinion. What are your thoughts on the Ford Maverick based on this information? Drop us a comment on what you think of this video, or with any requests for future videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video where we talk about